Uncle, we know about like Kalpa Sutra, which is read during Paryushan. Is it read by both sects, like Shwetambar and Digambar?
No, Kalpa Sutra is read by Svetambar Murti project, not even Stanakwasi, not traditional. Okay, they do read, they accept the book, but the tradition is only in the Svetambar Murti project, majority of the Svetambar Murti project sect people. Okay, and since their numbers are big numbers, okay, that's why it looks like every Jains are doing that one. It is not like that. Digambars don't read it. Digambars read Das Lakshana book. Okay, that every day they read, one virtue at a time on that virtue. Okay, Stanakwasi in several places I have seen reading Tattva Sutra also. Okay, it is not like only Kalpa Sutra they are reading it. Only Svetambar Murti Puja, this is a so traditional tradition that I haven't seen anything else they read except Kalpa Sutra. Okay, for there are 3 days different things they read. Then the next 5 days after the last 5 days they read Kalpa Sutras. Okay, so that is the tradition that is being done, and the reason, one of the reason of that tradition, okay, in these spiritual holidays, people like to listen to their Tirthankar's life. What kind of the struggle he went through it? How did he renounce the world? How did he know what were their previous lives and what are the things they went through it? All right, and how he established Chaturvid Sangh and what kind of suffering, Upsarga and Parishaha, Bhagwan Mahavir went through it, and ultimately, after attaining the Keval Gnan, how did the 11 Gandhars become his disciples, immediate disciples, and how did Chandan Bala took the Diksha and Anand Sravak and Sursa Sravika, those becomes first Shravak and Shravika, and what kind of the vows Tirthankar Mahavir gave them, okay? Because you can only become Shravak and Shravika when you take 12 vows, okay? And those description of the 12 vows is it in the seventh agam, seventh angagam, okay, which tells you these are the vows taken by Anand Shravak, because that's important to us. Mahavrat, sadhus got it. Sadhu and sadhvis got the Mahavrat. But we got the 12 vows in which 5 anuvrats are there. Okay? And that all interpretation of that anuvrat and everything is explained in the seventh agam, which is called Upashak Dashank. Bhagavan Mahavirna Das Upashako. That's called Upashak Dashank. And the first Upashak is the Anand Sravak. Okay? So these are the things which establishes the Jainism, and that thing happened. There is nothing Murti Puja anywhere. Okay? From that one, no, Bhagavan Mahavir said, this is what it is. Okay? But without Murti in the initial stage, it is very difficult to survive and practice the religion. Okay? For many majority of us. I'm be careful what I'm saying the word. Okay? It is not, it is believed or not believed of point. It is for you, it is needed or not. That is the things now you look into it. Okay? Both the types existed. All right. Parshnat time, there is a Murti Pujak and white clothes people. Bhagwan Mahavir, no clothes. So you can just look into it. No, Parshnat had no one traditions. Mahavir established no different traditions in that sense. Okay, comparatively, I'm talking about it. Okay, all right. Okay.